Hey guys, just got a delivery from Dog Friendly Co., and this one's for Dolly and Loki. After some quick sniffs, it's time to get this package open. Inside the bubble mailer is a branded Ziploc bag holding all our goodies. As we get this opened up, the first thing I notice is the custom name patches. Next, I pulled out the Bungee Leashes. These should help with Dolly and Loki's extra energy as they try to tug and pull on our walks. They've got a secure clasp with even locks. And look at that stretch! Now let's check out their new harnesses. These feel super durable with a D-ring for the leash, secure handle, and easy one-clip buckle. So let's get their names on these. Dolly's up first, and then Loki. Okay, time for a test fit. Just slip it over their head and clip it on. Dolly seems to like it and sure looks comfy. Loki's turn. What a handsome boy. Let's clip on those leashes and go for a walk. Remember to lock them on. And off we go. Well, once we get past the elevator. These are great, and they look awesome too. Plus, Loki loved hearing people say his name as we walked by. And it's much easier to control both of them at the same time. Alright, well, time to let us enjoy our walk. Pick up your Dog Friendly Co. harness and leashes in the link below. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.